अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। Hello Falcons, today I am here with a new video in which I'll tell you how you can get Carlos for free. Yes, for free. But before starting the video, like always, I'll request you, if you are new on my channel, then please don't miss to subscribe. And if you like the video, please do share it with your friends. So let's begin. All you PUBG hungry people, there is a character, Carlo, hovering around from quite a while, but this time he is totally free. And you can unlock it by completing easy missions in a new event, Cold Front Survival Speedster. You will get 5 character coupons for killing 3 enemies and a further 15 for killing 10 enemies in a classic match. And don't worry, you will also get few other items by completing simple missions. As Falcon Ramen has already purchased Carlo, so it will be easy for me to flaunt few OP clothes and emojis of Carlo. So you might be more motivated to get it. This was a brief video about a new character, Carlo. And like always, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And don't hesitate to share it with your friends. This video is prepared by Falcon Ramen. So please do tell me in the comment section if you like the video. Thank you.